sensing is the name of Honda's driver assistive system. It makes driving safer and more comfortable. When the Collision Mitigation Braking System, or CMBS, forecasts potential collisions with preceding vehicles, pedestrians, and oncoming vehicles, it provides visual and audio warnings. If the risk of collision increases, the system applies mild braking. If the vehicle approaches further, it applies strong braking to help avoid impact or mitigate damage. Even if pedestrians or bicycles dart out, the sensors detect the type, size, location, and speed of the object, forecasts collision, and stops or decelerates the vehicle.